G'day everyone, Mark here from Rockarmor, and today we've got the all-new Isuzu DMAX, and it's got the all-new Rockarmor GT bumper. The GT bumper is a full bumper replacement. It's made from steel and has been designed to store vital accessories like your lights, winch, and your UHF antenna. The GT bumper also features a number of handy things that you may need when you're on or off-road. These include built-in radar recovery points, built-in bash plate, as well as built-in fog lights with daylight running light. Areas where you'll be able to use a high lift jack. The bumper is also front sensor compatible for your DMAX, as well as its aggressive lines and looks that you'll see on the bar. The bar has been designed purposely with high approach angles. A great handy feature with this bumper as well is that it doesn't stick out too far. So basically, if you're parking any tight spaces overnight or in a garage, you won't have any problems with this bumper. The bumper has also been ADR complied, as well as that it's been designed to work with your factory airbags.